baqoke emkhakheni emine yezindondo njengoba kuzobe kuhlonyeliswa abashaya into enqumekayo kwezemidlalo. Leli qembu lafinyelela kathathu emidlalweni eyandulele yamanqamu endebeni yomhlaba. Laba yiqembu lokuqala ukulifinyelele kowamanqamu endebeni yomhlaba yizo ingekho iligi esezingeni eliphezulu kulelizwe.
Ngamanye amaxesha xa usenza umsebenzi omhle uke ucinge into bana abantu ababoni. Namhlanje ke sizoprova into bana hayi ilizwe belibukele kwaye belibonile umsebenzi omhle wenziwe iMomentum Proteas xa ibidlala kwi-T20 World Cup. Kubadlali abaningi baleli qembu ukudlala iqhilikithi itoho nje. Njengoba ingekhilikhithi kuleli bambala abanesivumelwano zokudlala futhi laba abanazo kumele badlale phesheya kwezilwandle.
They have the coaches, but the coaches also need the support. Now they're going to have the added support with the professionalizing of the game, and then the players can start focusing on that now. They know that irrespective of where they find themselves now, if I don't have a national contract, if I go to a province and now will be able to be looked after.
I think we spoke about it a lot, you know, how well we've been doing over the last couple of years with the limited resources we've been getting. So I think the team has been punching above their weight for a very long time, and I think it's time that South Africa starts investing in women's cricket.
Leli qembu lihlinzeke ngezigidi ezingama-22 zamarandi, kanti izigidi eziyisi-7 zamarandi zizoya kubadlali. Bese kuthi izigidi eziyishumi nanhlanu zizosetshenziswa kule minyaka emithathu ezayo ukuze kusungulwe iligi yabesifazane.